So we have seen GoPro launching the next generation action cam, the HERO10, which undoubtedly delivers top-notch performance. On the contrary, Akaso has also introduced a newer version of their popular Brave series with some massive upgrades and improvements compared to its predecessor, yet having a much lower price. But even with all these future upgrades, is the Brave 8 worthy enough to be your next budget action cam? Or rather, you should go for the HERO10 even if you need to spend more bucks. In this video, we will be showing an overall comparison of the two popular action cams, the GoPro HERO10 and Akaso Brave 8, so that you know which one to settle for. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Starting with the form factor, both the cameras seem almost identical, having a dual screen design. Though the Brave 8 is a bit smaller than the HERO10, you won't notice much of a difference unless you see it from the front. Apart from this, you will find the Brave 8 quite lightweight, weighing around only 115 grams, whereas the HERO10 weighs at 153 grams. So, the Brave 8 is likely to be more compatible with gimbals or other accessories. But the bigger size of the HERO10 also gives you access to a bigger screen for previewing captured shots. With the GoPro, you get a 1.4-inch front display compared to the 1.1-inch of the Brave 8. And for the back panel, you will find a larger 2-inch touchscreen display contrasted to the 1.7-inch touch display of the Akaso Action Cam. So you will find more space while using the GoPro screen. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the camera quality, which mainly differentiates the two devices. The HERO10 comes with the all-new GP2 sensor that certainly pushed the limits of the camera and now is capable of capturing 5.3K resolution videos at 60 frames per second and 4K videos at 120 frames per second. The new sensor captures more lights while recording videos, ensuring vivid and colorful footage, and it can capture images of up to 23 megapixels. On the other hand, Brave 8 utilizes a unique structure from combining 9 pieces of lenses together. 4 of them are aspherical glasses, and powered by the Sony half-CMOS sensor, it will allow you to capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and for the pictures, the Brave 8 can click up to 48 megapixel pictures. Certainly the GoPro offers more resolution, but you might not always need to capture at the highest of resolution, as that would cost more battery. Another thing that keeps the HERO10 on top is its stabilization. Equipped with HyperSmooth 4.0 technology, this cam ensures ultra-smooth and stable footage no matter how fast you're moving. Whereas the Akaso Brave 8 uses Super Smooth technology, which is an upgraded in-app algorithm for making the footage as stable as possible. Well, that cannot be the gimbal-like stabilization of GoPro. But if you think about the upgrade Akaso made compared to its previous predecessor, it surely is praiseworthy. Overall, you will find a decent amount of stabilization from the Brave 8, and for the best stabilization on an action cam, no other camera in the market can beat the HERO10. Apart from these, both the cameras have some features in common. The companies have made their action cameras waterproof, and you can dive up to 33 feet underwater without any worries. Besides, you can control them through voice commands for fully hands-free usage. Lastly, the HERO10 offers more battery capacity of 1720 mAh, whereas the Brave 8 has 1550 mAh. So you will get more battery life with the GoPro, and that's surely appreciable, as more battery life, more the opportunities to capture your moments. So overall, the Akaso has certainly provided excellent features considering the price tag, and with this camera, you will get a decent amount of performance. But if you want the best-in-class performance from an action camera and money is not an issue, no other action cam in the market can beat the supremacy of GoPro HERO10. What do you think of these cameras? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.